sounds good. Oh, petrol prices have rocketed. He's driving fast. Why is everybody driving so fast? Wake up, smell the coffee, rise and grind and start today. I had the thoughts that I wasn't going to get out of bed and I really felt like just staying in bed. And I can't believe my thoughts. That thought came to my mind. And so I realized that, my thoughts almost stopped me making this video, stepping outside today. I feel like, we have to keep going. I can't believe it's not about motivation, inspiration. It's about discipline and routine. Ignore the thoughts and just keep on doing the repetitions every day. Let's do some reps, bang out the press ups as much as possible, do the jogs, do the runs, and then go for POV drive. Let's go. I lost my magnet, that's why I'm holding it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 30. Not too bad. I used to be able to do 50, 60 in one go. 1, 2. Midweek, keep the motivation up, keep the hard work up, daily repetitions, let's do it. We are literally the end of Ramadan. Next Tuesday, Wednesday, I do want to push even more harder, made my mind more sharper mentally. Not the motivation bit, disciplining my mind, being ultra focused with everything. That's where fasting comes to action. I will be fasting every Monday and Thursdays and just keeping that momentum going, remind myself, staying in the routine and don't break it. Right guys, we're back in the Seat Leon 1.6 TDI POV. That is what I love to do most. Just doing a point of view of driving. Driving for me is so therapeutic. I honestly can't wait for the summer. I can't wait. Oh wow, nice car. Come on, go, 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 go. Today, we're gonna do a POV drive of the traffic. We're gonna battle the traffic. I purposely started this video a bit late to see the traffic, but what a nice Toyota G86. We're gonna catch up to it using all that technique that we know about driving. Why are you speeding up now? Why are you speeding up now, bro? Look at that. Right, I don't know if we're gonna get past it because I think that lane will always be the quicker lane because everybody drives first because they can see the cars coming on the roundabout. The last video I probably said roundabout over 20-30 times. I'm trying to see he's gonna win. Sounds good. Oh, miss clutch. Traffic is absolutely madness. I just realized I need to go get some fuel. I don't want to get fuel because the fuel prices have gone up by 16p. It's gonna go up by 20p soon. Overnight, in less than 24 hours, petrol prices have skyrocketed. And I feel like it's just mad, if you guys think it's like a conspiracy, like somebody needs to film me. And one day the prices were cheap and the next minute, from what happens in the world, the prices have skyrocketed. Is everything getting expensive? Are the leaders doing it on purpose, or is that just the way it is? Is that life? Is that the world? Or do you think there's someone controlling everything, get people to pay more money? Could it be that if they've increased the price of petrol and fuel, it's making it harder? People have to use their cars. It's like a must. There's no escape from it. I was actually looking forward to start doing Uber driving in the morning, but now the fuel prices have gone up. It's like, whoa, it's mad. I mean, it's gonna probably put off quite a few people. Do you think it's increasing because they want to balance the inflation, so let's increase the fuel prices, we should get a couple of zillions of pounds from people in the UK? Nice S2000, nice. Is brave man to be driving that. Proper investment cars. Do you think they're increasing it just because it's genuine? Like, oil prices have shut up, so we all should help. Something that needs to be done when it involves paying money. It's gonna be hard. It's not gonna be easy. I can slip in through this gap right here. Boom, like that. Go past this traffic. Not everybody should be doing that. Get back in the middle lane. Cars going past. Go. He's driving fast. He probably thought, no, I'm not getting gapped by a Seat Leon. It's only gonna get worse. Only gonna get worse. But I just wanted to show you guys how traffic really is in the morning. It's only 7:20 a.m. I would have done it at 6 a.m. but there's no cars at 6. 5 a.m. you're the only person driving. 4 a.m. there's not a soul outside. But then from 7 to 8, thousands of cars that are driving. I'm not here to race people. This is just a rush hour experiment, educational purpose to show people. That's that Tesla is looking alright. Diffuser, side skirt, calipers being painted red, tinted his rear lights. You know, he must have sold his JDM car to get a Tesla. As you can see, like, he's done it up. Why is everybody driving so fast? And there we go, traffic. Normally in the past couple of videos, this bit there'll be no cars. Now look at the traffic. It's a race for the next traffic lights. 3, 2, 1, go. I'll stay in the left lane, but people are going to start driving fast. Look at him bumping him. That's the right thing that he's doing. He's going fast now. Oh, he's going, wow, rapid he is. I feel like in rush hour traffic you gotta be very careful. My brakes are a bit shaking a bit. I think I need to get some new discs. I think they may have been warped. Boom, let's go. Easy, relax, calm. It's not too bad. Everyone's trying to go down the A45. Look at him going into this lane. It's mental. Indicating right. All the big boy trucks are coming in now in the morning. It's a nice BMW M2. Beautiful. I'd get the M3 though. As we get the cars, the project cars ready, like the Supra, Booster Civics, the Evo build, when we start doing POV drives in them, it's gonna like be more interesting. Just imagine doing Uber delivery in a Supra. It'd be absolutely nuts. I am looking forward to doing it, but I want to do it on this first. You know, one thing about rush hour, if you want to, you know, beat everybody, don't hit the main roads, hit the side roads, roads that people don't really drive. You'll get a good chance. Commuting is part of life. What would happen in the near future? Would cars run out? Will it be all electric, like self-driving cars to commute? Or will it be flying cars, spaceships? Who knows? What will the future hold? We always set expectations and it doesn't actually happen. I remember when I was a kid, they said petrol would run out 15-20 years. Yeah, we've got abundance of fuel and oil, but with the help of AI, things are moving rapid. So I honestly don't know. Somebody will ask ChatGPT how to create a flying car and then they'll figure it out. The world is moving fast. Blink of an eye. Right, watch out, traffic, slow down, cars are coming. I can take it, but I'm just gonna be the law-abiding citizen. This bit here is a dangerous bit. You can drive quick and indicate, right? Watch these people. They want to push in. Watch it, bro. See that? I'll go in the right lane. Rush hour is crazy. Why, is it going left or right? Look how many cars there are down there. Mad. Look at the traffic down there. That's it. I think it's time for me to head out now. Because I know I'm going to get stuck. Gotta be careful, there's a lot of cameras now as well. Driving used to be so much easier. I think right now, you gotta be careful for everything. Imagine if traffic was like this, no cars. It'd be a dream come true. Right, everybody's starting to do their daily walks. I've done my walk. That's one tick to the day. Done my POV driving. That's another one. Self-reflection, contemplation. Done. Keep the day moving. I hope all you guys are good. Hope you guys are working hard, you know, working towards your dreams. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Start today. Subscribe if you're new. Drop a comment down below. See you next one, guys. Peace out.